The sonic cone determines the area within which objects can be reliably detected by ultrasonic sensors. What is an aperture angle? Parameter alpha defines the aperture angle of the cone-shaped sonic cone emitted by the ultrasonic sensor. The surface structure of the measured object has no influence on the measurement result. This means uneven bulk materials, punched sheets with holes, or moving and bouncing objects can be detected. Thus, for uneven surfaces, the aperture angle is set particularly wide, while for narrow and small surfaces, it is set particularly narrow. To allow the ultrasonic sensor to measure the time between the transmitted and received signal, the object to be detected must reflect enough sound. The smaller the target surface area, the smaller the amount of sound reflected. If the object is too small, not enough sound can be reflected, which means the sensor can no longer detect the target. Therefore, sensors with a narrow sonic cone should be used for measuring small objects. Thanks to the focus sound beam, a large portion of the sonic energy then directly hits the object. As a result, almost the entire sonic energy can be reproduced by the target and perceived by the sensor. In general, it is not a problem if the target is smaller than the sonic cone. For the switching point, the sensor focuses on the earliest object it can detect. The ultrasonic waves can be deflected by another object. This object must have a hard flat surface that relays the signal well. Care should be taken to ensure that only one deflection is used, as multiple deflections result in a significant decrease in sound wave range. To ensure that no large debris falls onto the active surface, a baffle plate can be used.